Hey everybody, you all, it is Field Trip Friday. I needed to run in Sam's just to pick up a few things. So my dude number one, aka my husband, is not with me. I'm gonna be solo in Sam's. So I decided to bring you guys along with me for another field trip. And when we get in there, I'm gonna need you to be on your best behavior, okay? Don't be asking for everything you see. Can I have this? Can I have that? No. Did you bring any money with you? Do you have any money? Okay? So if that answer is no, I'm going to need you to look with your eyes and not with your hands. Don't be picking up stuff in this store, okay? All right. So we're going to go in Sam's. I'm not going to be long. I didn't come in here to tarry. I'm going to be a few minutes. We're going to hit it and quit it. We're going to get in and we're going to get out, okay? But I just wanted to bring you all along with me. So let's get in Sam's and do what we need to do.
These two are with me.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good night.
Let's go. Y'all, it's so pretty today. Pretty, pretty. I hate getting this heavy case of water without my dude number one. Y'all, that water be heavy. Well, you guys, thank you for being on your best behavior while we were in Sam's. Yeah, I do not enjoy coming to Sam's by myself. And when I do come and my dude number one is not with me, I don't do a whole lot. I like to come when I'm by myself. I'll pick up like our little snacks and his candy and all the junk food, as you saw. Picked up a couple of personal items for me, but the fact that this stuff has to be loaded and unloaded, I just try not to overdo it when I'm by myself. And I normally don't, I normally try not to get those cases of water too when he's not with me, but we needed some water, so I just got one case. And if he's with me, then we'll do like 4 or 5 cases of water at a time, but one will definitely suffice because they are heavy. So, and the chocolate covered almonds. Oh, the last time we did a Sam's trip, he was with me and I was fussing. I be fussing, but not really fussing, because he was getting those almonds. Y'all, they are so good. I like those I like those more than the M&Ms. Oh my goodness, they are so good. So if you've not tried them, try them. It's also, I couldn't really talk to you guys much in Sam's because they have that music playing and I'll get a copyright strike. I'll get in trouble with that music playing in the background. So that's why we just had to kind of walk through and just pick up the few little things that we needed and get out. All right, so I hope you all enjoyed this field trip. We'll call it Field Trip Friday. How about that? If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you've not subscribed, please subscribe and turn on that notification bell. And when you do, it shakes. I'm being nosy. I thought she was going to run out into that curve. When you do, it shakes, and we say shake something, shake something, shake something. You guys let me know if you enjoy these field trips. Again, it gives me an opportunity to get out of the house and get some of you guys out of the house through my camera lens. But let me know if you all are enjoying the field trips. I know a lot of you really enjoyed the last field trip we did last week to the Furniture Emporium because it had so many nice things. But anywho, thank you guys so much for watching. I already look forward to you joining me or us again next time. Bye.